Hi guys, this is Justic here, and for today's video is I'm going to show you on how to change your Xiaomi Haylou LS01 wallpaper. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Josh here, and for today's video is I will be sharing you the easiest way on how to change your wallpaper on your Xiaomi Haylou LS01. Alright guys, so first is you just have to swipe onto the right and you're going to look for the setting. Just click it there and you have here the options. So you have dial, dimming, about, shutdown, and reset. So all you have to do is just click dial, and from there you can see different options of wallpaper that you might want to choose. So for example, in our case, so we use this one, so we have like this. Now if you're going to change to another wallpaper, so just very easy guys, just go to settings and click dial, and you're going to scroll down and you can also see this kind of wallpaper here. So okay, so you will have this kind, and let's try to check another wallpaper. So we have here, okay, this kind of red and orange analog style. This is also nice, and we will have also the other one. So this kind of sporty look kind of wallpapers, military kind of watch, yes, and the format is like military and you have the watch in the middle. So if I'm going to choose guys, so I will be using the simple one. So we have here this one, and guys, this is actually the default wallpaper of our Xiaomi Haylou LS01 guys. So let's click to our wallpaper that we want. So I like this style guys. For just information, I had a very unfortunate event yesterday. So I was helping my dad carrying the woods, and I accidentally scratched our smartwatch, and luckily it did not really break totally, so you just have some scratches there, and I'm really sad because I thought I could put some, protector from here. So I will just be looking for other ways and how can I protect our Xiaomi Haylou LS01. Alright guys, so for the other wallpaper, I check on our application, the Haylou Sports, but there's no options there for the wallpaper. So all we just have to do is wait for the possible updates in the future for more wallpaper guys. Alright, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this has been Josh, and I will see you soon.